Mary Evelyn Previte, born September 7, 1932 in Kaifeng, China, is an American Democratic Party politician who served in the New Jersey General Assembly, where she represented the 6th Legislative District from 1998 to 2006. Life and career. Previte is the great-granddaughter of James Hudson Taylor, the founder of China Inland Mission. As a young girl, Previte was a student at the Chefu School at Yantai in Shandong, China, and spent 3 years in a Japanese concentration camp at Weisian Compound during World War II, from which she was liberated by American paratroopers on August 17, 1945. Over 50 years later, in 1997, she began to seek out and thank, in person, each of the soldiers who had been involved in liberating the camp. At the age of 14, Previte lost her left hand in a revolving saw accident. But this did not hinder her from going on to graduate with a BA from Greenville College and received an MA from Glassboro State College, now Rowan University, in English education. She served on the Guri's Board of Education in 1966 and 1967, and a trustee on the Haddonfield Board of Education from 1972 to 1974. Previte has been the administrator of Camden County Youth Center for over 20 years and was elected in 1997 as the first female president of the New Jersey Juvenile Detention Association. In 1994, she published Hungry Ghosts, the story of her experience as administrator of the youth center. Previte was elected to the New Jersey General Assembly representing the 6th Legislative District from 1998 to 2006. She has served on the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Advisory Committee since 1995. She served on the Advisory Council on Juvenile Justice in 1994. Previte served in the Assembly on the Family, Women, and Children's Services Committee as chair, the Federal Relations Committee and the Regulated Professions and Independent Authorities Committee. She did not seek re-election to the Assembly in 2005 and was succeeded by fellow Democrat Pamela Rosen-Lampitt. Published works. Hungry Ghosts ISBN 970-310-20665-1. See also. Norman Howard Cliff. References. External links. Assemblywoman Previte's legislative website. New Jersey Voter Information Website 2003. New Jersey Legislature Financial Disclosure Form for 2004, PDF. Haddonfield Sun article, August 4, 2004. How Jane won, book describing successful women, including Previte.